Standing next to me is the beautiful Aditi Govitrikar Rakrawala. Hi Aditi, how are you doing?
Very well, thank you.
So what do you think of this event tonight?
Well, I think the clothes are great. They're very casual, very, you can wear it like every day. And they also have club wear, which basically you can wear when you're partying.
So it's like a mix of everything, casual, formal, ethnic.
Yeah, it is.
So tell me, who's your favorite designer, Aditi?
Generally or in this event?
Generally, I'm just on a general basis.
Okay, in India I like Manish Malhotra, I like Vikram, I like Hemant, Shah Abdurazi, Anamika Khanna from Calcutta, Sabyasachi from Calcutta, and there are a lot others actually, but these are my favorites. Yeah.
Tell me, how has it been for you? It's been a long struggle from, being Mrs. India to being a mom and being a top model in our country. How does it feel?
Well, I don't think, luckily for me, it's not been a struggle at all. It's just fell into my lap, everything that I've done. So, luckily, I've never had to chase anything really. And motherhood and Miss World and all this just fell into place. It was just like, even today when I model and when I try to balance my family life, it just kind of falls into place.
Tell me, how about your film career?
I just had a release couple of months back, I think, which was Dhund the Fog. Should be working on another project very soon. Keeping my fingers crossed about it.
So do you want to stick to the film industry or you want to stick, or you going to have the both?
As far as possible, I'm trying to do both. When time comes, when I have to choose, I'll take the decision that time.
So tell me, who's been your role model, one person whom you've always looked up to and
Nobody. I don't really have a figure like that. I derive inspiration from myself, and yeah, my husband helps a lot. Where like when I have my so to say blue days, he's the one who kind of says, okay,
peps you up?
completely.
So tell me, what is the secret of this slim and trim figure? I mean, do you work out regularly and what is your diet like? I mean, are you very conscious about everything?
Well, not really, but I try not to eat too much of fried food because that's what I'm really fond of. I'm a vegetarian, I avoid aerated waters, and that's about it. Whenever I get a chance, I try to do some yoga.
That's nice. So tell me, where do you see yourself 5 years from now?
Alive, hopefully, with the war and everything going around. And I just went to Singapore, so that was a big risk that I took. And everybody was like, "Are you crazy? You're going to Singapore?" I'm like, "Okay, that's life. Life is too short. I want to go, so I will go." So the SARS affected, so to say. I went there. Yeah.
Tell me, what's your favorite color?
It keeps changing. I'm a Gemini, so every once in a while I change it. Uh, right now it's white. It was red probably 15 days back, but summers are on right now, so white is what I'm liking right now.
So anything that you would like to say to our viewers?
But I think everybody should take risks because the only regrets in life are the risks that you don't take. So go ahead and take a lot of risks.
Thanks, Aditi. It's been a pleasure having you with us. Thank you so much.